Hello everyone, in today's topic we are going to talk about parallel lines and transversals. This topic can be found in page 92 of your textbook. These are the terms to remember: parallel, transversal, interior, exterior, alternate. Bits from the past. The equal sign is relatively new invention in mathematics. It was first used by Wells physician and mathematician Robert Ricorde in his book The Whetstone of Wits, the first algebra book produced in England. Brooklyn Bridge is one of the famous modern usage of parallel lines and planes. What would you call two lines which do not intersect? We call it parallel lines. A solid arrow placed on two lines of a diagram indicate the lines are parallel. The symbol for this one is like this. It is used to indicate parallel lines. Therefore, in the diagram, line AB is parallel to line CD. A slash through the parallel symbol indicates the lines are not parallel. In the diagram, line AB is not parallel to line CD. What is a transversal? Transversal is a line, ray, or segment that intersects two or more coplanar lines, rays, or segments. Coplanar means they lie on the same plane. So if we have two parallel lines and it is cut by a line, we call it transversal. And if we have two non-parallel lines and it is cut by a line, it is called, the line that is cutting the non-parallel lines is called transversal. So when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, it forms exterior angles as well as interior. So the same as true with non-parallel lines. If it cut by transversal, it forms exterior-interior angles. So remember that a transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines in a plane. The intersected lines do not have to be parallel. There are special angle relationships. So if we have lines cut by a transversal, we have interior angles. And under interior angles, we have alternate interior angles. So we have angle 3 and angle 6. Then we have angle 4 and angle 5. They are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 are same side interior angles, while angle 4 and angle 6 are same side interior angles. Then we move on to exterior angles. So if we mean exterior, they are outside. So angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles, and angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles, while angle 1 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles, and angle 2 and angle 8 are same side exterior angles. Special angle relationships only exist when the lines are parallel. So alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent, same side interior angles are supplementary. It means if we add them, it is equal to 180 degrees. Then same side exterior angles are supplementary. If we add them, it is equal to 180 degrees. Take note, if the lines are not parallel, these angle relationships do not exist. It should be only parallel lines cut by a transversal. Corresponding angles are two angles that occupy corresponding positions. So we have 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, 6, and 4, 8. They are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are congruent. So angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, angle 1 is congruent to angle 5, angle 3 is congruent to angle 7, angle 4 is congruent to angle 8. So whatever the measure of angle 2, it is the same with angle 6. Now let us have same side interior exterior angles. So a while back, Same side interior angles, two angles that lie between parallel lines on the same sides of the transversal. So we have 3, 5, and 4, 6. If we are going to add them, it is equal to 180 degrees. So measure angle 3 plus measure angle 5, it is equal to 180 degrees. Measure angle 4 plus measure angle 6 equals 180 degrees. Now let's move on to same side exterior angles. Two angles that lie outside parallel lines on the same sides of the transversal. We have 1, 7, 2, 8. They are same side exterior angles. When we add measure angle 1 plus measure angle 7 equals 180 degrees, as well as measure angle 2 plus measure angle 8 equals 180 degrees. The angles that lie in the area between the two parallel lines that are cut by a transversal are called interior angles. It is inside, okay? So if we have this diagram, a pair of interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal. The measure of the interior angles in each pair add up to 180 degrees. So if that angle is 60 degrees, if we add it to 120 degrees, it equals to 180 degrees. So angle BPQ plus angle EQP is equal to 180 degrees. Angle APQ plus angle DQP is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's move on to alternate interior-exterior angles. So alternate interior angles, two angles that lie between parallel lines on opposite side of the transversal, but not a linear pair, okay? So 3, 6 is one of the alternate interior angles, and the other one is 4, 5, alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 6, angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Now let us have the alternate exterior angles. We have angle 2 and 7, then angle 1 and 8. So therefore, angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. Take note, alternate interior angles are congruent as well as alternate exterior angles are congruent. Now, practice makes perfect. Let us practice. So in the diagram, measure angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Find all the remaining angle measures. So to find angle 2, take note that a straight angle is 180 degrees. So therefore, 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. And to get angle 3, vertical angles are congruent. Angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles, so therefore, angle 3 is 60 degrees. And to get angle 4, angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles, so therefore, angle 4 is equal to 120 degrees. And now we can use our idea in alternate interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. So therefore, angle 5 is 120 degrees. And angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. So it means that angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. And from here, we can use the idea of the vertical lines or alternate exterior. So angle 2 and 7 are alternate exterior. So therefore, angle 7 is equal to 60 degrees, while angle 1 and 2 are alternate exterior angles. So it means that angle 8 is equal to 120 degrees. Now exercise time, do worksheet 17 in the Google Classroom under week 18. Please type your name, student number, and class before you answer. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye!